In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Excel. Customizing this toolbar can significantly streamline your workflow by placing your most frequently used commands just a click away. So let's dive right in and explore how you can tailor this feature to suit your needs perfectly. First things first, let's open Microsoft Excel. Once you have Excel opened up, take a look towards the top left corner of the window. Do you see that little arrow up there? That's the quick access toolbar. By default, it comes loaded with some basic commands that Excel thinks you'll use often, but the beauty here is in customization. When you click on this drop-down arrow, you'll notice various command options that you can add to your toolbar. These options are quite handy because with just a click, you can personalize the toolbar to house commands you use regularly. To add a command, it's really as simple as clicking on the command itself from the drop-down menu, and voila, it's added to your toolbar. However, what if the command you need isn't immediately visible from that drop-down list? No worries at all. Click on the arrow again, and this time choose More Commands. This will open up a new window giving you the full spectrum of command options Excel has to offer. In this new window, ensure that the section for the Quick Access toolbar is selected. As you browse through the list, you'll see commands grouped into categories, making it easier for you to locate what you need. There's even an option to switch to all commands if you're searching for something specific or need a comprehensive view of what's available. Once you've spotted the command you wish to add, just click on it to highlight it, then simply click the Add button in the middle of the window. Immediately, you'll see the command move to the list on the right, indicating it's now part of your Quick Access toolbar lineup. It's a powerful way to keep your most used functions at your fingertips. Finally, to lock in your customization, you'll want to click the OK button at the bottom of the window. This step is important as it saves your changes and applies them to the toolbar. Now, with everything set up, you have a quick access toolbar that's tailored specifically to your workflow needs, making your time in Excel much more efficient. So there you have it. With these easy steps, you can ensure that the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Excel truly serves your personal productivity style. Keep customizing it as your needs evolve and enjoy the newfound efficiency in your Excel tasks. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.